Imagine a small solar company that suddenly grows its revenue by more than 130% in just one quarter. And not just revenue, profit, capacity, orders, everything is booming at once. Sounds like a hidden gem, right? Well, today we are talking about a stock that recently hit upper circuit and is quietly gaining attention, Websol Energy Systems. But the real question is this just a hype or a real long-term opportunity? Before jumping into numbers, let's simplify the business. Websol Energy operates in the solar industry. It manufactures solar cell and modules. Think of it like this. Whenever you see a solar panels installed on rooftops or large solar farm, those panels are made using solar cells, and Websol is one of the companies producing those core components. Now why is this important? Because India is aggressively pushing toward renewable energy, especially solar. So companies in this sector are riding a strong long-term trend. Now let's talk about what triggered all the excitement. In Q4, financial year 26, Websol delivered massive growth. Revenue jumped from 173 crore rupees to 401 crore rupees. That's a 132% growth. Profit increased from 48 crore rupees to 125 crore rupees. That's almost 158% growth. And it's not just one good quarter. For the full year, financial year 26, revenue 1049 crore rupees. That's up 82%. Profit 303 crore rupees. That's almost double. EBITDA margin around 40%. This shows consistency, not just one-time spike. But here's something interesting. Margin slightly reduced compared to last year. This could mean expansion cost or investment in future growth, which is actually a good sign if managed well. So what's driving this growth? There are three major reasons. Number one, high capacity utilization. Factory usage above 90%. That means strong demand. Number two, expansion. New production line added. Capacity increasing to 1.35 gigawatt. Number three, technology upgrade. Moving from mono PERC to Top Xeon technology. Now don't worry about technical terms. Just remember this. Top Xeon is more advanced and efficient solar technology. So the company is not just growing, it's upgrading itself for the future. Another very important point. The company is now net cash positive. Debt 118 crore rupees. Cash 152 crore rupees. That means it has more cash than debt. For a growing company, this is a very strong signal because it reduces financial risk. Now, let's talk about stock price action. Recently, Websol hit upper circuit. What does that mean? Too many buyers, very few sellers. Strong demand in short term. It also appeared among momentum stocks alongside names hitting 52-week hikes. This tells us traders are actively watching this stock. If you check its fundamentals on screener.in, you'll notice rapid revenue growth, improving profitability, strong book order of 1161 crore rupees. That order book is key. That indicates future revenue visibility. So, is this stock a hidden gem? Positives key point. Explosive growth, strong solar sector tailwind, capacity expansion, net cash company. On the other hand, the risks are small cap volatility, technology transition execution, momentum driven price spike. My simple take. This is a high growth, high risk type stock. Not for blind investment, but definitely worth tracking closely. If you want, I can break down valuation, future targets, or whether it's a good buy right now. Just comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple stock breakdowns. I'll see you in the next video.